Assalamu Alaikum everyone. Today I'm taking you with me to a very special place, the beautiful Masjid Al-Haram. Okay, so it's almost Maghrib time and the atmosphere here is amazing. Thousands of people from all around the world are gathering, making dua and waiting for the adhan. You can feel the peace and spirituality everywhere. The holiest city in Islam, and it is located in Saudi Arabia. Millions of Muslims from around the world visit this city every year for worship. In Makkah there is the Kaaba inside Masjid Al-Haram. Muslims around the world face the Kaaba when they perform their daily prayers. Makkah is the birthplace of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Well, it is the city where the message of Islam first began. Every year, millions of Muslims travel to Makkah to perform Hajj and Umrah. These are very important acts of worship in Islam. As you can see around me, Makkah is surrounded by many mountains. This is because the city is located in a natural valley in western. These mountains have been here for thousands of years and they are an important part of the history of Islam. For example, nearby is where the cave of Hira is located, the place where Rasulullah received the first revelation of the Qur'an. Another famous mountain is where the Prophet stayed in a cave with Abu Bakr during the migration to Medina. Okay, mashallah, look, I'm so lucky that I'm going for Maghrib prayer to Masjid Al-Haram and check the environment, check the beauty. MashaAllah. Okay, look, only 5 minutes are left for the adhan.
ولا حد يحرك لا توقف.
يلا